Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Larvitar in Pokémon Legends ZA. Alright, let's begin. Larvitar is the final Pokémon found in Wild Zone Area 15, and it only spawns during the daytime. It does not appear at night, and items like Coffee Boost do not affect its spawn. Once you unlock Area 15, you can access Larvitar immediately if you have the required movement abilities. Head to the western bottom side of Area 15 and move down toward North Boulevard. At the edge of the first group of buildings, you will find a climbable structure. Climb up and continue moving forward. Make sure you have any fire-type Pokémon in your party. You will need it to burn through twigs and webs blocking the path. Follow the walkway around the building until you reach a gap. Perform a roll followed by a Rotom jump to cross it. Continue along the path. Turn right. And use your fire Pokémon again to clear another web. Behind the gate, you will find Larvitar. Save your game before entering, then catch it. So, that's basically how you can get Larvitar in Pokémon Legends ZA. That's it for this video. Thanks.